What's up, guys? This is the monthly giveaway for 8/15 through 9/15. We are going live. Timestamp is 9:20. So I got the list. The list was in alphabetical order, but I rolled the dice and randomized it. Ended up being 4 times. So I just thought that would be better instead of having them stuck in alphabetical order to do it. So there you go. Dice has to be 4 more. It is a 7. We're going 7 times. Top 7 are in. Good luck, fellas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Different people on top every time. 6. Last and final. 471 entries. Last and final. Number 7. Brad Pounds, Bobby Hall, Todd Woes, Kevin, and Scott. Holy crap, Kevin Woodsmall got 3 spots. That's crazy. Your code, KKDTCP. And we're done. Timestamp 12:27. Thanks, guys.